Working with Christmas baubles this Christmas, 4 ways of doing it. So the first one is glitter Christmas ornaments or Christmas baubles. And here I'm using baby oil instead of polyacrylic. So a much cheaper version of the Christmas balls. And I'm going to pour the glitter in and just move it around. And then once that's done, I close the clear ornament and I'm personalizing it here just with my name using a vinyl that I've cut on my Cricut machine. The next type of ball that I made is the traditional Christmas ball, and that's because my kids play sports, so I've got so many balls around the house. And what you're going to do here is just cover a ball of any size with some Christmas material. I'm using this beautiful red plaid material. Cut it into shape as you like, and you're going to use your hot glue and hot glue in some tape or some lace, and then just decorate the ball with any Christmas florals that you might have. And there you go, done. Beautiful. The next one is just personalized Christmas balls. You'll get these from any shop, the Dollar Tree or Target. And so what you do is make sure you clean your ornament first with some alcohol wipes. This will help to just remove some of the excess dust so that when you place your decal onto the ball, it will stick correctly. And here I am just preparing the decal and putting the transfer tape on it and just varnishing it so that it's ready to be placed onto the Christmas ball. And here's a little trick: just snip a little bit, a little snippet just after each letter will help when you're placing the decal onto the ball or onto any curved surface, really. This just really helps to make it easier to place each letter onto your surface cleanly. So you'll see that's what I'm doing here, and it'll be a much easier job when I go to place the decal onto the curved surface. And there you go, our beautiful Christmas baubles. You can personalize these with names or names of reindeers, whatever you like. The next one is just the Christmas bauble wrapped in balloon. So you just use any leftover balloons from a birthday or from last Christmas. And what you will do is just take any of the Christmas balls or Christmas ornaments that you might have, cut the balloon near the top of the balloon, and then just stretch it out to fit your ornament. So I found this works for me. It worked with the smaller type of ornaments, the 50 or 60 millimeter ornaments, and you place the ornament inside the balloon, and then you just tie a knot and place the top of the bauble back on, and that should do it. So this really works if you're using like really nice colored balloons like pink or neon colors, just to add a pop of color to your Christmas tree this Christmas. So there you go. Those are the 4 different types of ways that I've worked with Christmas baubles this Christmas, and I hope you can give them a try whenever you get the chance. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, be sure to hit the subscribe